pull them off. It's so natural for me. Can you believe that? 20, you only get 20. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Kiss Impress Press-on Falsies. Now these are a very new concept to me. I haven't really seen them floating about. I did a bit of a Google search, I did a bit of YouTubing, and I actually saw this on TikTok. So I thought I'd give them a go because you know how I love the Kiss Falscara. I wanted to try this because it could be a game changer in my routine. So basically, you know how you get stick-on nails? It's kind of like that, but with eyelashes. So it's got this sticky band on the lash clusters, and you just essentially press it onto the underside of your top lashes, and then you press. I mean, like, who would have thought? Who would have thought this would come about? I would have loved it a few years ago because it would have made life so much easier. Stay tuned if you want to see my first impressions of these lashes, see how I apply them, see if I have any mishaps, see what my thoughts are when I'm wearing them throughout the day, and see if they do last. Hi guys, good morning. Today I'm going to be trying out a new product, and it's a little bit different to what I usually use, my beloved Falscara. Today I'll be trying something new. I had to order it on Amazon because I can't find it anywhere in the shops. I went to Boots yesterday, had a little look around, there was nothing there. All I could see was some Kiss Falscara, the cluster lashes, and their normal lash range. It was a bit pricey though. I haven't opened it yet, so let's open it together. Oh, great. Can you believe it's the start of August and I am in a hoodie? As you can see, I've done the rest of my makeup already. Done my base, I've done my brows, just about to do my lashes with you now. I'm going to be trying these for the first time today. Let's give it a go. Packaging's kind of like open already, but let's go. Here's a closer look of the product itself. So today I'm going to be trying out the Voluminous. The spiky ones looked a bit too spiky for me, so yeah, let's give this a try anyway. This is what we get. You get the lash applicator, and then you get the 20 lash clusters. Let's read the instructions. Pluck a cluster from the tray. Place the cluster underneath your natural lashes. Squeeze clusters and natural lashes together with the applicator. Okay, I've just cleaned the applicator, and on one side you can see the Kiss branding right there, and then on the other side it says Impress Press-on Falsies. So today is the 6th of August and it's currently 7:22. We're going to see Barbie today, and I'm quite excited because I've heard so many different like points of views. So don't mind, I have a spot that's healing on my forehead. It doesn't say long and it doesn't say medium on the side. I'm guessing they're all the same length. I was just about to put these away, but I'm so clever, aren't I? So on the packaging itself, so the clear top of it, the cap, you could say, it says the lash length here. So I've been using the longs all throughout my eyelashes, and we also have the medium as well. I've seen some people start from the inner corner and go to the outer corner and vice versa, right? So I've got straight away pulling it away from the packaging. You can see there's like some glue dots which help to like glue down the lash cluster to the packaging. This can be quite irritating to the eye sometimes. Those glue dots can also attract like dust. I think this is going to be a bit of trial and error. Oh, great, and it's lifted from my lashes. Right, now you get the clamp, then you squeeze it together. Woo! that's one on. That's quite natural for me. Very natural indeed. Then we're going to place another one. There's a little gap. I'm gonna try again. You could use your finger just to take it off like really easily. I wonder how long this bond lasts. I can get quite irritated if it's too close. Very, very natural for me. So natural. This would be appropriate for when I go to Vietnam. This is very much gonna be great for that. I think this will be the final lash cluster I could fit on my eye. Otherwise it will start to feel quite uncomfortable. Definitely would say don't start this on a day where you're in a rush. Try this out on a day where you have some free time. It does kind of look a bit odd though, because this one's a bit spiky out of nowhere. You know what, that looks alright. That looks so natural, it looks alright. It's so natural for me. Do you like it? Oh. Mum, do you like it? Mum. Good day, con.
Thấy gì?
Lòng mi.
Đấy.
Good day, Mum.
Nó hơi thưa giống như mấy bữa được rồi.
There we are. That is one eye done. Super natural, guys. Super natural. So if you're into that look, I mean, this might not be natural for someone else, but for me, this is super natural, especially because I've got a double lid. And so there's quite a bit of space between my brow and the rest of my eye. So the eyelid space is quite a bit, and so that's why I quite like to wear long eyelashes. But yeah, it looks really cute. It looks sweet. A little bit different for me. So I'm going to apply the other side now. So that's taken me about 8-9 minutes. Not ideal, because that would add a bit of time onto me actually getting ready. But then again, I have been speaking throughout this process. See, this one is full of glue. Can you see that? Why was it easier to do my left eye? So much easier to do my left eye. Right, I think I'm gonna stick to just applying 3 on each eye, because that is a comfortable range for me. This eye looks completely different to this eye, doesn't it? I'm gonna have to readjust that. This applicator isn't my favourite. Do you know what? I'm gonna try with my tweezers. I'm gonna take my tweezer just to place it where I want to place it. Oh, that's so much better. That feels so much more familiar. And it just grabs the lash better. Right, there we are. No mascara needed. No bond needed. Just the lash cluster. It's currently 9 something. 9:06. And I'm just going to adjust this lash. I need to clamp it even further because I feel as though it is dropping. I don't know if you can see from the side, but it's kind of like hanging by a thread. So I would like to adjust it because I don't want it to annoy me during the cinema. And so I really just want to get it clamped back on. I do realise that this would be really annoying throughout the day. I like how the lashes don't get stuck when you're clamping though to the tool, because when you're doing this with Falscara or even the tatty lashes, it just sticks to the applicator. Hopefully we'll be secure. We're going to head out in a second. Here are the lashes. Hey. Right, no, don't sit on me. Here are the lashes. Okay, we're gonna go in and watch Barbie now. We just got out of the cinema. Here are my lashes. Yeah, it was good film, like really good film. Really good soundtrack to it. Just got back from town. Let's do a little checkup. Currently 2:20. I just wanna press this up a bit because it's kind of digging into my eye. But other than that, they're fine. It was really comfortable. So I'm so ready to take off my makeup, take off my lashes. I'm so ready. I really just want to wash my hair. You ever just have those days where you just look forward to washing your hair because it's just so damn greasy? I just want to get everything off my face and just get my hair sorted. It is currently 3 minutes to 6. That gives us a 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So just about 10 hours of wear, and they've lasted very well. And that is typically how long I would wear my lashes anyway during the day. Oh, whoa. Even trying to pull them off, yeah, they're still stuck. And it says on the packaging, it says pre-bonded clusters provide instant lash extension look with 24-hour hold. No, I wouldn't be, I would love to take this off right now, so I'm not going to be leaving them on. But yeah, how to remove with clean hands. Use your finger to remove the clusters by gently lifting them off, starting with the band side. So I'm guessing you just use your fingers just to pull them off. Cool, that was easy enough. So you just take them off. I'm going to place it back into the packaging. I mean, if you're squeamish at this sort of stuff, then it's not for you. It is a bit fiddly. That's because I've got polygel nails. That's that side gone. These have been a joy to wear today, and they've lasted quite long as well. Okay, so tomorrow will be a work day. I'll be starting off by getting ready for the gym. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow. So there we are. Here are the lashes on. I'm just about to head off to the gym. I used mediums in the inner corners today and 2 longs. So the lashes are looking incredibly natural today. Incredibly natural. Something I'm not too used to because, you know, I like big lashes. But here we are. It was a little bit trickier to apply today just because they're just so straight, and I found it going a bit pointy, gappy even, that's the right word, like gappy, and it would make it go pointy in between the lashes. Okay, I'm gonna go now because we're gonna be running late otherwise. My lashes after the gym look alright. They look the same as this morning as we left. So we've had a rough start to the day. Oh, my arm's just gone. Where it was hard to apply the lashes to get them to stick. But I've also noticed, you can see this one's like coming loose, and I could feel them today. I could feel them moving about. Does that mean they lose their stickiness within 3 days? Because if it's like within 3 days, then it's so not worth it. Just because you're paying £18, £19, £20, you get 20 in a pack, and say you use 3 or 4, you only get like 5 goes. Then 5 times 3, that's 15. To get 15 days wear. But we'll see. We'll continue to apply these ones like so. But yeah, they're looking incredibly spiky today, don't you think? A bit more spiky than normal. Don't know why. But yeah, I don't know where the volume is in this lash, in these lashes, even though I did buy the volume. Okay, first downfall. You have the fact that you have to buy this whole thing again. It would work for a starter kit, but if you had to pay £20 each time just to get these lash clusters, then that's quite spenny indeed. Secondly, the stickiness doesn't last, especially on me anyway. I wear lashes 5 to 6 times a week, depending on what I'm doing, where I'm going. But I mainly go to work 5 times a week, and then on Saturday, Sunday, depending on what I'm doing then, I might be wearing lashes. But here it says there's only 2 to 3 full applications, so do be aware of that. And then thirdly, they're really straight, the lashes. So as you can see, the lash band is very straight. If they were a little bit curved to suit eye shapes, that would be great, as then they would sit on the eyelashes really nicely. And fourth, maybe this is kind of like on my behalf, but they're not dramatic as I would like them to be. I know I got the voluminous ones, but spiky didn't seem like it was right for me. Voluminous seemed, you know, the best option. And I mean, they're not too bad, they look fine, they work for me, and they do suit me, but I just like a longer lash. Maybe that wouldn't work because, you know, it would be quite heavy and it would pull down the lashes quite a bit. So yeah, we've got to give and take here. We've got to give and take. And so I might give just mediums a go, but as you can see, they're quite short. Just a quick one before I head to the gym. Look at my eyelashes, they are so short. This is too natural for me and I don't like it. These are 2 mediums in a corner and then 1 long on the end. It literally does nothing for me. All in all, I have enjoyed wearing these, I really have. And I don't know if I'll go back to Falscara for the time being. I'll probably play around with the medium lashes and use up the long ones for now. I think this would be a great option for those on the go because you only need this kit. So taking that for travels and stuff, really easy to do. Those of you that like a more natural lash look, great option. And I think they're kind of beginner friendly. And if you've already stepped foot into using Falscara, this is a walk in the park. It takes a little bit longer to apply these lashes, about double the time for me, about 10 minutes, 15 minutes even. Depending on how sticky the lashes are, then I'll have to keep on playing with them. But it takes me about 10 minutes in general to pop them on. Those are my final thoughts on this product, and I would repurchase this again if they had the lashes sold separately. If you enjoyed seeing that video, then please like and subscribe if you want to see more from me, and I hope you have a lovely week.